Hello and welcome to my channel. This is going to be the first of, I hope, many new videos that I start putting out. Something that I've been wanting to do for a while now, to go along with my Instagram page that I've started. And so, let me introduce myself. I'm Trey, and this is my YouTube channel, Treacly Creations. This is going to be just a labor of love around just crafting and just enjoying the space. I'm hoping that you will come and join me along through this journey. I want to share the things that I learned and also just to kind of like have a collaboration with all of you. I find that, learning is part of like the fundamental of my life, and I love being able to teach. So in my day job, I am a trainer for a global company, and so I enjoy this, and so I'm looking forward to being able to try to like impart some of the knowledge and things that I've gained in crafting. So yeah, so happy to kind of get started with this, and always open to feedback and anything that you might want to discuss or talk about. You'll notice that I'm into quite a few things along with my crafting. So I love unicorns, I love bright and sparkly and things like that. I'm also into a lot of geeky things. I love my sci-fi. And so you'll notice in my background, this is like my office where I work, because I currently work from home. And then also, this is also my hobby space, my crafting space. So like all of it is in just this one office room here in our house. And so as we kind of come along with this journey, I'll share a little bit more and more about myself and who I am, and just kind of like, so that way you get to know me, and I hope that I get to know you all as well. And so just to kick this off, the first thing I wanted to do is kind of like just an unboxing. And this is going to be part of the Spellbinders 13 Days of Craftoween. Now, I know this box has been out for probably a couple of months now, but I was very specific. I didn't want to see any spoilers. I wanted to be able to open this and just kind of go along with it in October and just be able to enjoy it brand new. It's kind of like the same thing with the advent calendars. I just got those, I believe it was on Sunday, from one of my local shops that I'd ordered it from. But again, I've been very specific. I haven't looked at any videos. If I see anything that's pop up about spoilers, I go past it, because I want to be able to like open each of those days and enjoy it. And so that's kind of what, I wanted to share today, is like I wanted to get started with the Craftoween. So the next 13 days, I'm hoping to like kind of share this with you in a video. So let's get into it. All right. So here we go. All right. And so basically, again, 13 days of Craftoween. And so in this box, I'm sure there's probably a lot of things that have already been shared out there. And you've probably seen it, unless you're like me and you didn't want to see it until it was time for us to actually be in the spooky month. And so in this box, we get 13 die sets, we get one clear stamp set, and then a pack of sequins. And so again, I was very specific. I didn't want to look at anything. So as far as I know, this is all that I've seen that actually was shared about what's in this box. It's just a little bit of the sample that came on the box image. Now, total transparency, I was going to try to record this video first, and I started it and I opened it up and got started and found out that my setup was not quite set up as I wanted. And so I recorded with a black screen. Sad face, womp, womp, womp. So I did open this already, but we're going to go through this again together, just like it's brand new and me opening it. So unseal the tape and let's open it up. And so within the box, everything was wrapped up, and it was super nice. We had some tissue paper around it and this cute little sticker that said Spellbinders 13 Days of Craftoween. So, magic, magic, magic. Ooh, look, it's open. So again, here are the beautiful sequins that comes with it. Of course, these are some of my household's favorite colors. My partner loves purple and I love orange, so this is right up our alley as far as household colors. Love it, love it, love it. And then of course we get the 13 sets of the dies and everything. And of course the cute little sentiment stamps that came with it. So lots of fun. Let's go ahead and put that out of the way. All right, I'll put that here as well. And so what we'll do is we'll go ahead and take a look. Now, I wanted to start this yesterday, but of course with work and everything, I kind of lost track of the dates. And so we're just going to kind of go through this together. And so I'm going to go ahead and pull out the first 2 days, and then we'll kind of look at those. All right, so day 1 is this beautiful raven or crow. Honestly, I'm never sure what exactly. It's a blackbird. I know it's a raven or a crow. Could be either. I'm not sure. I'm sure there's a way to determine, but I don't know my bird entomology. I think is what it's called, maybe. Anyway. But, so, cute, cute, cute. So we're going to open this one up and take a look and see what we got. All right. So this one looks like it is a cute little vampire. Have a fantastic night. And so the first set of dies we got looks like it creates that image. So very cute. So it's a layered die set to be able to assemble this image together. And so we'll see if I can't get this made up for us, and so that way I can share it in my next video. So super fun. All right, and then of course, since this is the 2nd of October, we're going to go ahead and do day 2 as well. So again, cute little card. And what do we have in this one? Oh, this is super cute. So we have another blackbird. He's got a monocle. And then also he's sitting on top of like a cute little skull. So again, more layered dies to be able to create an image like this. So again, I'll see if I can't get these created as a card for us, or just on a background. That way we can share it with you all in the next video. So that is it. Again, just something short and sweet, just to kind of get my channel going, just to share it out there, and just to kind of show exactly, you know, what we have going on with my channel. I'm, like I said earlier, I'm totally open to feedback or anything. You know, if you have comments or suggestions, you know, I just ask that you keep them, you know, constructive. You know, I find that in this day and time, there's so much negativity in the world around us, and crafting should be a space where we can come together and just have a good time. You know, there's often, and then this is one thing that I'll say, I say that I'm very amateur in my card making skills, but every chance that I get, I try to take classes. I want to learn. The other thing that I love, though, is just the community of crafters. You know, I love my friends that I've made in the different crafting spaces that I attend, you know, on a monthly basis. I go to 2 different locations for card classes. And, you know, some of them might be, you know, nothing that's like in my wheelhouse as far as like things that I like, but I'm always going to sign up for it because practice. I love, you know, learning new techniques around that. And also I just love being able to spend time with my crafty friends to laugh and have a wonderful time. In fact, this last Sunday, there was a card class that we did, and it was based around a tea party theme. And so I went all out. I was silly. I got this crazy orange tea party hat, you know, with the little hat that sat on the side. It was like this little band that I wore, and some crazy, you know, lace gloves, because I just wanted to have fun and be silly with it. And it was a wonderful time. We made some great cards. We even made a really cool teacup out of paper and everything, and it was just a lot of fun. So it's things like that. I just love the camaraderie that we have. I love being able to like craft with friends, just heal, you know. Again, there's so much going on in this world. There's so much negativity. I love crafting space and just be able to like relax and enjoy and just create. Let your creativity flow. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and sign off for now. Again, thank you for joining me. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Again, Treacly Creations. Again, this is Trey. I hope you have a wonderful day, and hopefully we'll see you again soon. Bye for now.